Next is going to be the hip flexor exercise that we worked on. So you're going to lay on your back with your legs bent up, just like that. Here you're going to take the ball and you're going to place it behind your knee so that your calf and thigh are holding it together. This is going to make sure that when you lift your leg, you're just lifting the thigh bone and not leading with the foot. You're going to make sure your arms are down by your side, because I know right now they're probably under your head. And then you're going to just think about widening your sits bones as if you were letting go of a wedgie or farting, so that your pubic bone, the front of your pelvis, sort of rocks down towards your feet a little bit. Take a deep breath. Exhale and relax. Then you're going to slide the heel of the leg that the ball's in towards your sits bones as much as you can until it just kind of floats right up into hip flexion. And then you'll lower it down the same way as if you're going to tap your toe on the mat. You can even walk it a little bit out, so you can slide your heel towards your butt and then just fold it in. So what you're thinking about is right here at your hip joint is feeling this heaviness. So this drops down, and that's what lifts the knee up so easily. Remembering where your hip joint is, probably right where you had your labral pain at first, that's where the hip flexor is pulling from. So it's really close into your, towards your pubic bone, not on the outside of your pelvis. So imagine like pulling a string up. So it would look like this. The string pulls, and my heel comes, and then everything just folds in, and then back down. So you'll do a few of those on each side. Remember to move the ball when you're ready to do the other side. Then you'll make it a little bit more challenging by bringing one up in that position, holding it there, letting gravity hold it there. That's why it's so important to feel that heaviness of it sitting into the socket. And then what you'll do is bring the other one to meet it, which you can bring the other ball behind the leg if needed to. And you should be able to hang out here and not really feel your abs bracing or your butt wanting to tuck back under. And then you'll lower down the original leg and bring it right back up. Lower down the opposite leg and bring it right back up. Noticing there's nothing really changing in my core, and I'm not like really creating a huge ab contraction, but it is challenging for my hip flexors and my abs.